Working on the greenstar 34 CDI, customer has to keep topping up the pressure. When the heating's on, pressure vessel goes and PRV lets by, then it goes into overheat mode. So let's get this sorted out. Remove the casing and inspect inside. Isolate the flow and return and the gas. As always, switch off the switch spur and remove the fuse. Drain down the boiler using the built-in drain valve. This is conveniently piped up to the condense. Going to have to remove that condense and give that a good clean. Customer has also asked for a strip down service. Here's the culprit, let's get that removed. Good old handy Weir socket wrench. Remove the top bolt and a 15mm compression underneath. Remove the expansion vessel, superhero mode time. Remove the 15mm nut and pull down the plastic housing. So I can't really record this bit, but it was a mission to get out, and here it is. New PRV, make sure you install the O-ring and make sure you use the grease provided. PRV fit like a glove. Mentioning gloves, I forgot mine again. Remove the front cover from the primary heat exchanger and look at all that dirt. So let's get this cleaned up. Heat exchanger cleaner sword, there we go. And that's all fallen to the bottom, so we need to get rid of that as well. Looking much better. Make sure to clean the condense trap. Now we're going to replace the top seal. At the back there you've got a 13mm securing nut, and in the front you're going to have a 10mm and a 10mm. Now remove the burner and give the heat exchanger a good clean. These electrodes are going to need replacing. Give the burner a wash, making sure you've got loads of specks of light. Get the burner inside with a new seal and start compressing those nuts. Definitely going to have to give that a clean. This is all gone. Now remove this seal, pull up and pull away. Reinstall these metal washers back in place. Starting from the top, put the new seal in. Fantastic job. Be sure to put the metal plate back in place, then secure it. Now install the new expansion vessel, tighten the 15mm nut, looking like a boiler again. Let's remove these electrodes, looking shocking. Brush off the old seal. Looking crisp. New electrodes ready to go, along with the new seal. Let's get that in place. Reinstate the flow and return, top the pressure up and inspect the boiler for leaks. Let's pop that fuse back in and get the boiler on. Switch it on. So the boiler is going to do its thing. It's going to be venting, getting rid of all that air. The 6 horizontal lines means it's still venting. FGA readings looking okay. Let's compare it to the MIs. Looking good. According to MIs, everything's all good. Lovely jubbly. Replace the flue caps. Air integrity looking good. Maximum within the MIs and also the minimum. Job's a good one. Another happy customer.